my disclaimer right from the start.
Where's your brain located?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Your mouth.
Now, some of you guys are on medication. Fortunately, I am not. So, before starting any regimen, even though this may be natural, seek your physician's advice. Don't just get on this YouTube channel or any YouTube channel and take the advice of a person that is not your physician. Like some people are on medications that they can't even eat grapefruit. Okay, so with anything that you try to add to your natural everyday health eating habits, if it's something that's different out of the ordinary that you normally do, seek the advice of your physician. Because I don't want nobody coming back to me talking about, oh, she said it was okay if I tried this. No.
Red, swollen, that's what she said.
Go to your doctor first, because even though Blackstrap Molasses is natural, it still has like magnesium and a lot of other things, and I'm not sure if it's going to interact with your medications if you're on medications. Me myself, I'm not. Okay guys, now let's get into the video. Good morning guys. So as you can see from the disclaimer, we're going to be doing a breakfast smoothie using Blackstrap Molasses. Now, Blackstrap Molasses has a lot of benefits. It's good for fibroids. It's good for the graying of the hair. You can use it on your hair. You can drink this in the morning to get so many benefits from it. It has potassium. It has magnesium in it. It also has copper in it. So this is something that I used to use a long time ago, and I stopped using it. Why, I don't know. Well, it's bitter. It's like it has a real bitter taste, so that's part of the reason why I stopped using it. But I said, you know what? Let me put this back into my regimen. So I went and I bought me some Blackstrap Molasses to put into my smoothies. I also use this Blackstrap Molasses as a deep conditioner for my hair. I'm gonna leave that recipe down below in the box. So I mean, if you guys want to try it, it's wonderful for the hair. It makes your hair feel amazing. I mean, absolutely amazing. But let's get started. I'm just gonna be using the Blackstrap Molasses, just like a tablespoon of Blackstrap Molasses. I'm gonna be using 1 banana. I'm going to be using some peanut butter this morning. And I'm going to be using some oats here. And some, of course, almond milk. Okay. Alright guys, so I got my Newgrowthnaturals out here and it's ready to go. So, this is 1/4 cup. Is what I'm going to use of oats. I'm not going to use a lot because I'm making a small smoothie, because it's only for breakfast and that's all you need. It's not a lot. I just want it for like a little bit of the thickener. The banana itself is going to help with thickening this smoothie. I'm going to throw this banana in here. This is not going to be a long video. I'll put that over there. I'll throw that in the trash eventually. We're going to just break the banana up. This isn't frozen. Normally I use frozen bananas, but this one isn't frozen. This is one that I just grabbed up and said, hey, let me just go ahead. Now you can add cinnamon in this. I think I'm going to add some cinnamon to this. Now I'm going to warn you, Blackstrap Molasses is bitter. Okay? So I'm going to put, and it's thick. It's very thick. See that? See that? It's thick. See how thick that is? I don't know if you guys can see that. See it? It's thick. It's really dark. but that's okay. I think I might, no, I'm not going to use honey. I'm just going to use the Blackstrap Molasses itself. Okay, because the peanut butter itself has sugar. This is not like a unsweetened peanut butter, which is what I really probably should be using. But I didn't have that, so I'm going to take a healthy scoop. Looks like a lot, but this is protein peanut butter. And I'm going to throw that in there. Okay, and I'm going to add cinnamon, because cinnamon has its own health benefits as well. So let me get my cinnamon. And it's organic cinnamon. Just going to put a little bit. That smells so good. I love cinnamon. So we're going to put a couple of ice cubes in there, which I had the ice already ready. I'm going to throw that in there. I'm not going to use a whole lot of milk. Just enough. I don't want it extremely thick, but I want it thick enough. And there it goes in the cup. Something always going berserk when I'm taping. So, have you ever had the? You know what this reminds me of? I don't know how old you are, but the Mary Jane candies.
I'm in love with Mary Jane. She's my main thing.
This has that taste to it, but it's a little bitter because it's like all natural. But I used to love Mary Jane's. So this probably is really going to taste like just like a Mary Jane smoothie, because it has the peanut butter and everything in it, and that's what Mary Jane's had in it. It had like a molasses. It's like a molasses candy. It had molasses and peanuts, and it had like a little glaze on it, but Mary Jane's were like the bomb. Okay, anyway, let's mix this up. Look at that color. So that's mixed enough. If this was frozen, I probably would have to mix, like the bananas were frozen, I probably would have to mix it a lot longer. But because the bananas aren't frozen, this is it. See that? Nice. It's nice and cold because of the ice. And it's just enough. And this should hold you over for the morning, because it has oats and everything in it. Let me get a straw. I keep straws everywhere. Okay. So we got a straw here. Stretch her out. Guys.
Oh my God! Wow!
When I tell you that this is absolutely amazing, this is one of the best breakfast smoothies you could make. It has so many health benefits in this smoothie. Try it. You have to try it. When I tell you this is so good, and it does. It tastes just like the Mary Jane candy. It does. It tastes like Mary Jane candy. It does. Oh my God. Okay, guys. That's all I have for you today. I am going to go and go upstairs because it is extremely early this morning, and I am getting ready to start work. So, okay, guys. Let me go. Get on upstairs and get to work. All right, guys. Bye.